This quote by Sushmita Sen was very clear in my head that it's not important to react, you have to respond. Women pulling down women is the most saddest thing. Like, if you have to fight patriarchy, you have to fight a lot of women.
Then people just tagging you along
Yeah.
with this word of gold.
I'm okay with a gold digger or a diamond digger for sure. Because when it comes to my husband having the right partner in my life, I'm pretty much successful in it, and he is the goal that I was trying to dig in my life forever. Simple observation: how can people be so stupid? Like, where is my Lamborghini? Where is my bungalow next to the Juhu beach? Where am I walking out of my private jets? It's a term people love to use today on women when they think कि शादी का रीजन क्या होगा? पैसा ही होगा. Because nobody could never understand why I love Apurva so much.
But when this is taken as, oh, वो अपने पति के साथ नहीं रहती
I know,
है,
man.
and they are getting a divorce.
Staying separately is such a beautiful concept, I'll tell you very honestly. I'm a person who loves my space, and same goes with my husband. He loves his space. So for him, involving someone into his space, when he had no intentions to get married and settle down, we don't have any intentions to have babies. So it was a very beautiful decision took by us where I'll stay in a separate space, he'll stay in a separate space. There was a point in life where we used to stay together. We had no chats except for दूध मंगवाना है, चाय बनानी है, भाजी लानी है, यही chats थे. And that life becomes quite mundane if you ask me.
Strong-headed, fiery and honest. These are some few words that come to my mind when I introduce my guest for the day. And while a lot of people are disappointed to see her outside, we're also a little happy to finally see her. Welcoming Divya Agarwal only on FPJ Showbiz. Hi Divya, it's good and not so good to see you.
Hi. No. It's really good to see me. I see myself out and I'm really glad and I'm really happy.
Okay.
Because
Why so?
I'm a changed person, I've realized. I'm a really changed person. This show was such a good deal for me, where I always kept telling people after my Big Boss that this is my last reality show. I'm done with it,
Yeah.
and I won't be able to do that anymore because I feel it has got a lot to do with my nature in my personal life. I don't know about others. I'm talking for myself, where when I did Big Boss, I had times in my life which were not going right. I was quite upset in my life, and that frustration, I could see myself giving it out in the show. But luckily, my ethics, my stands were always right. But the foundation of my thought process was always right. My upbringing was always right. So it didn't turn out to be a disaster.
Yeah.
Now, I feel like with this show, I've confirmed what my gut feeling was talking about. And I'm finally glad that I'm a grown-up person now. I see the world in a different lens.
Yeah.
And I made a lot of friends in the show, which is quite rare. In a reality show, I don't make good friends. And I missed my audience this time. Audience in a way where they could be interactive.
Yeah.
They could support me with the voting system. There were many things in the kind of format that I was quite confused with initially. And even in the ending days. And मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से रिश्ते बनाए थे बाहर. मुझे बिगाड़ने नहीं थे लाइफ में. तो एक शो जीतना या शो के लिए अपने पुराने दोस्तों को 10 साल पुराने दोस्तों को कुचल के आगे जाना was not my cup of tea anymore. So I'm glad I'm out.
Do you feel you have evolved as a human being, and that is why you don't resonate with those small silly fights? Like sometimes you watch it on the TV and you're like, they're fighting on this. Why? They must be really sad in their life to do that.
Correct. And I don't even blame them because I do feel I'm such an evolved person right now. I think I am so glad that this happened. I'm really glad this happened. It's like a realization for me, for my family members, for my friends, family, everybody. They've been just talking about like, how were you so calm in those fights? And I still don't have that answer to myself. कि ठीक है. But evolved completely, yes. And I want to put all these nice energies and good type of fire in something that I've always wished for, is my acting career, which was already doing well, but it was quite overshadowed with my participation of reality shows.
Correct.
So I hope my fans, my audiences or people who have watched me in the show, in the previous shows and this show, realize that it's not my cup of tea anymore, and
Yeah.
I have no problem accepting that. I mean, I was never for the trophy anyway in my
Yeah.
previous shows. I won it because of the love of the audience, which was also missing here. But I'm good, yeah. I'm much better now.
Lovely. Good to hear that. The love of the audience was maybe missing because you were secluded, but they were
Correct.
actually pouring in a lot of
Yeah.
love from, especially when somebody targeted you. Oh my God, your fans would
I
bash them, and
know.
how?
I mean, I always restrain my fans. Like, there was a time when, one of my fan pages told me, I have my MBBS ka exam tomorrow. And I'm like, what are you doing now? She's like, I'm making your edit. I said, shut the fan page right away. This is I'm talking 5 years back, okay?
Yeah.
I said, shut the page right away. You have to be a doctor. You're going to treat patients of our society, of our country.
Yeah.
I don't want them to be fangirling a contestant from a reality show. That shouldn't be your life. You should do well in life.
Yeah.
And since years, I've been against the trolling culture. I don't get happy when I see my fans abusing the fuck out of someone for me, supporting me. Yes, support me. The words can be very different,
Yeah.
but bashing in terms of all those things which I run away from, that's not good. So I'm really glad, and a lot of celebrities poured in so much love. Luckily, they all now know me so well that they could take a clear stand, and I was glad to see. देखो बहुत सारी चीजें अच्छी भी हुई हैं.
Yeah, of course. Of course. But you spoke about trolling. I think you've been somebody who's dealt with this for so long now. Like, I remember a few years back, there were like tons of reports without
Correct.
even checking with you. Even today, that happens. People
Right.
don't check with you and they are like, Divya ke saath ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai. But today, of course, you are much calmer.
Right.
You don't even support all of these things. And
No.
I don't think back then also you supported. But when you're starting off and you see so much
I
hatred,
used to get really
yes, you get
anxious.
anxious.
I was really anxious looking at everything around me, and I really, I think I was looking for validation from my audiences. It was quite new. I didn't
course.
understand the world that much. Now I'm in an environment of my friends and family where even they don't expect me to validate them. I mean, me. They don't expect themselves to validate me. They don't expect anything out of me. Where they know, like, अगर तुम किसी से प्यार करते हो तो उसको independent बनाओ.
True. That's
If you really love someone, you make them independent. You make them live their life with themselves first. उसके बाद जब प्यार करते हो ना तुम, where you don't need each other, that is something you come down to a core love connection where it's just love. You love spending time with them. You
Yeah.
love talking to them. You love confronting into them. You love being vulnerable into them. But being independent is something that you can teach someone. Freedom is the best gift you can give to your partner. All these things, बहुत सुधर गई हूँ यार, and things have been
Yeah.
changed.
You are a changed human being.
I'm a completely changed
Yeah.
human being, and I think I love both my phases very much.
Of course, because you were that, you are
Yes.
meant to be this today.
Yes.
But one thing that particularly irked me a little while watching the 50 was women pulling women down so much in today's time. And I've spoken to other of your co-contestants that we're fighting so much for equality, for feminism, and all of these things. And then I see people character assassinating you inside a reality show, which is really hurtful to even
It is.
watch.
It is.
You've dealt with that. Of course, there were so
Right.
many personal comments made on you.
Correct.
You held your grace. You did
Right.
not react the way
Correct.
people actually expected you to react.
Correct.
What was going on in your mind?
I think I was quite inspired by thanks to the reels that we watch when we are not idle
Yeah.
as well. But this quote by Sushmita Sen was very clear in my head that it's not important to react, you have to respond. And that really changed my way of looking into arguments, that really changed my way of looking into things. And here in this show, women pulling down women is the most saddest thing. Like, if you have to fight patriarchy, you have to fight a lot of women.
Exactly. That is so true.
You have to fight a lot of women if you want to fight against patriarchy. So, some women who have lived their life with that thought process half of their age, you can't try and explain them anything. You can't try and change them.
Yeah.
But the young generation, and especially with these kind of reality shows where the youth is watching you, you can surely make a difference, right? And there is a new term in the Gen Z, is called baddie, right?
Baddie, yeah.
I mean, the real baddie of life is tackling the life, handling it with grace.
True.
I think if you ask me, the real meaning of baddie is like having your grace, having your knowledge, the respect that you can gain. You know, it's a very beautiful thing what my mother-in-law taught me. It's very surprising. That also changed me a lot. She said that in today's world, what I see most common is when women don't accept their feminine energy. The feminine energy is soft yet loud.
Yes.
The feminine energy is powerful yet graceful. I mean, the times that now we're shouting like men and holding each other's neck like that, we were not that. We would talk इतने प्यार से कि बंदा वहाँ गिर के मर जाएगा पर वो तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ करेगा. You know, that femininity has so much grace.
Yeah.
I was so happy hearing that. The things that you can make people in the world do as a woman, it is so easy. It is so much easier. You put up your point straight up. You're not scared of anyone. You look into the eye. You talk about things and you're not scared. And your voice is soft. And your voice is great.
Yes.
I mean, that has really, I've really experimented with this thought. And it has always worked in my favor. They have certain sort of respect for me, I see in their eyes. But women, I'm talking about, when they pull each other down, is something that I think they need to fix a lot of things with their own
That
self,
is true. That is so true.
with their own self, how they have been treated, how they have been looked at. I think it has got a lot to do with that. So I don't blame her frustration. I don't blame her in any way. I just wish God gives her that kind of calmness. And I wish God gives her that feminine energy that we are born with.
Yeah.
She needs to ignite that again. And I hope she would be a changed person because I was a good friend to her.
Absolutely. You know, my favorite quote of all time is the world is filled with kind people. If you can't find one, be one.
Be one.
And only if everyone understood that.
And trust me, darling, the statement of yours is so true because the minute I planned, the minute I changed my energy, the minute I changed my nazariya towards life,
Yeah.
everything fell in
Yes,
place.
exactly.
Everything fell in place. Today, touchwood, I can say I don't have such complaints in my life where she did this to me, she broke my trust, he did that to me. I couldn't handle that. All these terms which were very much commonly used in my life earlier has now just gone. They're just gone into the thin air. Only because I have become kinder.
Exactly.
Only because my energy makes the other people feel that कि यार इससे तो बिंदास बात कर सकते हैं.
Absolutely.
I have become that non-judgmental person where ठीक है यार होता है लाइफ है होता है लोगों के साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है. And then the kind of energy that I receive, I mean, I always say, believe everybody who says Divya Agarwal is the most nicest person you'll ever meet and she's the biggest asshole in this world. Believe both of them.
Yes.
Trust me, believe both of them because I give what you exactly give it to me and it's like an exchange of energy.
Absolutely.
So yeah, such is life.
You know, you just mentioned about not being judgmental, but when today judgments are continuously passed on you, there's this word that bothers me so much, gold digger.
Yeah.
And then there's a video of yours that you did with Nayan only where you're explaining I hate to take diamonds and even my engagement ring is not a diamond, it's normal. And then that plays in my head and then people just tagging you along
Yeah.
with this word of gold digger, which is so annoying because you've been earning money ever since literally you were a teenager. So that is like, what gold are you digging?
I mean, see, as compared to that term, if you call me, I'm okay with a gold digger or a diamond digger for sure. Because when it comes to my husband having the right partner in my life, I'm pretty much successful in it. And he is the goal that I was trying to dig in my life forever. And I found one.
Yeah.
But it's just a simple observation. How can people be so stupid? Like, where is my Lamborghini? Where is my bungalow next to the Juhu beach? Where am I walking out of my private jets? And I'm doing none of that. Economy, man. I travel economy, man. Where is that? So, I mean, it's just a term people would like to use it. And I mean, let them use. I'm not here to like tell them what it is. Bill जब आता है तो मेरी फटती है यार. I mean, what do I do with that? So all of those terms are not going to help me pay my bills. I'm okay with this thing. But थोड़ा observation जरूरी है. I think लोगों को थोड़ा देख तो लें. Like, this is from the thrift shop, man. Where are my brands? I'm not even showing off anything. So yeah, it's a term people love to use today on women when they think कि शादी का reason क्या होगा? पैसा ही होगा. Because, you know, nobody could never understand why I love Apurva so much. And why I turned the world upside down, made it hell around for me also. But that was all worth it.
Absolutely.
So, if I had to dig gold, I'm at a pretty good space.
Yeah. You know, I just heard you speaking about you know, living separately because
Correct.
of work,
Correct.
which is such a nice way to do it, because I see couples fighting their lives
Yes.
off. Like 50 years, they'll fight every single day because of the commute and because of not supporting each other in their work. When you say this, I think a lot of modern couples today are doing that.
Yeah.
Even I know of some people doing that. But when this is taken as, oh, वो अपने पति के साथ नहीं रहती
I know,
है, and
man.
you know, they are getting a divorce.
It sounded like, अच्छा ऐसा भी सोच सकते हैं लोग. I mean, I was so, when I heard that perspective, I'm like, oh my god. Actually, people might be thinking like that. People who don't know me, or they've just watched me staying alone in my flat, must be thinking, यार ये तो अपने पति के साथ नहीं रहती है. I mean, that is such a stupid thing. Where, I mean, I don't blame them also. I blame people who knew the situation
Yeah.
already and then turning the whole perspective upside down, which was not even needed in this kind of a show. Alright, but I was still laughing because it has kind of worked in my favor. The kind of support I got from people, from media, from the celebrities that I know and I love, that are into my life. I think that was pretty much nicer. And staying separately is such a beautiful concept, I'll tell you very honestly. I'm a person who loves my space. And same goes with my husband. He loves his space. And मैं तो फिर भी अपने भाई के साथ बड़ी हुई हूँ. He's a single child. So for him, involving someone into his space, you know, when he had no intentions to get married and settle down, we don't have any intentions to have babies. Alright? So the best thing what we wanted for each other, and we are still young and, you know, happy about life. We're still thriving, passionate about our careers. So it was a very beautiful decision took by us, where I'll stay in a separate space, he'll stay in a separate space. I'm going to stay closer to my work, he's going to stay closer to my work, so that we can sleep peacefully, we can go to the gym properly, we can take care of each other's health properly. And it's a very exciting thing if you call me that way. As a couple, it's quite exciting when I have to still message my husband, good
Yeah.
morning, love. And I still have to message him, good night, love. And in between, we have so many chats. There was a point in life where we used to stay together. We had no chats except for दूध मंगवाना है, चाय बनानी है, भाजी लानी है. यही chats थे. And that life becomes quite mundane if you ask me. Our mothers have lived that life. It was
Yeah.
very hard to, you know, have that spark alive.
True, that is so true.
You know. But I think this makes us spark really alive. He picks me up for dates. He drops me back home. I mean, that excitement is really nice.
Oh, wow, y'all are still in your like lover era.
We should always stay in our lover era if
That
we
is
love
true.
someone.
It's so good to end this conversation on that note,
I
Divya.
know.
There's so much positivity in you that I see today. Earlier also there was,
Yeah.
but you know, as you grow
Quite
up,
rageful
yes,
earlier
yes,
also. I
that is
agree.
true,
I
that is
completely
true.
agree. I love that thing about myself. I love this thing about myself. That aggression and rage comes through my conversations or something when I see some injustice happening.
Yeah,
It keeps coming from time to time.
as a true.
But I like to keep it for those things only. Now, not everybody deserves my anger.
True, that is true. But thank you so much for chatting with us. It was
Thank
lovely.
you, darling. It was
Thank
always
you.
lovely
Same
talking
here.
to you.
Same here.
Hi, this is Divya Agarwal, and you guys are watching me on FPJ Showbiz.